Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili oil ramen. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have fresh noodles and your preferred broth ready. We'll start by crafting a vibrant chili oil, then move on to preparing the perfect ramen base. Finally, we'll combine everything for a truly satisfying meal. This step-by-step guide will help you create a delicious bowl of ramen right in your own kitchen. To make your chili oil, begin by heating 1 cup of a neutral oil, like canola or grapeseed, to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour this hot oil over 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, garlic, and ginger in a heat-proof bowl. The sizzle is a good sign. Allow this mixture to cool completely. This step is crucial for flavor infusion. Once cool, strain and store your homemade chili oil. Next, let's prepare the heart of your ramen, the broth and noodles. Heat about 2 cups of your favorite ramen broth per serving until it's simmering gently. While the broth heats, cook your fresh or instant ramen noodles according to the package instructions. Aim for an al dente texture, which means they're firm to the bite. Once cooked, drain the noodles thoroughly to prevent diluting your delicious broth. Now for the exciting part, assembly. Carefully place your cooked noodles into a serving bowl, then ladle in the hot ramen broth. Stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of your homemade chili oil, adjusting to your preferred spice level. Finish with your favorite toppings, such as a perfectly soft-boiled egg, thinly sliced green onions, and perhaps some tender pork belly. Serve your chili oil ramen immediately and savor every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.